Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit your tolerances to customize them exactly to your needs. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've opened up a project and I'm on the map screen. Do note you can also do this when you're setting up your receiver, but I'm going to do it obviously from my map screen here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the wrench and receiver in the top right corner, which is going to open up my instrument settings menu here. You can see here there's an option for active tolerance. Now, depending on the receiver you're using, you might see a couple of different options here, but I'm just using the internal GPS on my data collector because I was being a little bit lazy in filming this at my desk, if we're being honest. But once I have my active tolerance located here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the three dots to the right of whatever the active tolerance is. In this case, I have autonomous set, so I'm going to click the three dots right to autonomous. It's going to open up my tolerances menu here, and you can see I have three different options. So I can customize all three of these to be exactly as I need. So I can use the fixed topo, fixed control, or autonomous. What I like to do is have kind of exactly that, a topo, a control, and then just a general shot. So my topo might have one observation, my control might be 30, 40, 50, 60, and then my general one might be an observation count of 3, where I need to be a little bit more cautious than I would on a topo shot. So to edit one of these tolerances here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the three dots to the right of the name, where you can now see that I can edit all manner of different things, including the name and all of the stats here. So let's do some changing here. My observations, I'm going to change that to 5 from 1. And then my solution type I can change here as well. I'll leave it on autonomous, as I said, I'm using an internal GPS. Once I have those ones set here, I can scroll down a bit and you can see that there's horizontal and vertical standard deviation limits I can change, my correction age, and there are also 3 switches at the bottom where I can allow a tolerance override. So if my tolerance isn't met, am I allowed to force the shot to be taken regardless? The auto store accepted position, which allows me to just automatically store the position. I don't have to see any of the stats. And then the skip new point screen after measure screen. So that means once I have that stats page dealt with, whether it's auto stored or manually stored, it will then not prompt me to put in a description or edit any information on the new point. So once I have all of those set there, I can then click OK and done to return to the map screen, and I'm ready to continue surveying with whatever the edits are that I've made to my tolerance. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you edit a tolerance in Microsurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.